Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, mount Google Drive at /content/drive so you can access datasets and save checkpoints. Change runtime to GPU and select a Tesla T4 or P100 for faster training. Install required packages with pip, including Torch, Torch Vision, Albumentations, and TensorBoard. Upload or copy your dataset to /content/drive/my drive/datasets and unzip if needed. Inspect dataset size. For example, 10,000 images across 5 classes is common. Convert labels to a CSV or image folder structure for easy loading. Set a working directory and confirm free disk space. Implement a dataset loader using Torch Vision. Datasets, image folder, or a custom CSV loader. Apply transforms that resize images to 224 by 224 pixels and convert to tensors. Add augmentations like random horizontal flip with probability 0.5 and random rotation for train only. Normalize images with mean and STD appropriate for your backbone model. Create data loaders with batch size 32, num workers 4, shuffle true, and pin memory true. Split your data into an 80/20 train versus validation ratio. Verify data shapes and sample batches before training. Define your model and move it to the GPU device before starting training. Use Atom Optimizer with LR1E4 and a Step LR scheduler with step size 7 and gamma 0. 1. Train for 20 epochs while logging loss and accuracy to TensorBoard at the end of each epoch. Enable mixed precision training using AutoCast and GradScaler to speed up training and lower memory usage. Save model checkpoints regularly to /content/drive/my drive/checkpoints for recovery. After each epoch, evaluate on validation data and compute accuracy and loss metrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.